Hello, my fabulous financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to our first cash stuffing and unstuffing of 2025. I'm excited to kick off this new year with you all. We've got some amazing changes coming up in our budgeting journey, including a fresh setup and a new set of challenges that we'll be tackling weekly. I'll share all the details about our new setup in an upcoming video, but for now, let's dive into stuffing these envelopes and starting our new year off right. First, we're going to take a look at unstuffing. In gas, we did not go anywhere, so the tank of gas we started the week off with, we still have it. So we've got 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, $200 left over from gas. Kiddos, they ended up spending some of their money. Groceries, we have 5, 6, 7 left in groceries. Spending, you guys, I had someone gift me some money, and I put that into spending, and we've got $15 left over. I will be rolling that over. All right. So what we have that we will be putting aside to go along with the money for our savings challenges will be 50, 120, 40, 60, 80, 205, 6, 7. So $207 that we'll be putting towards our savings challenges. Now let's get these guys stuffed. And we will be stuffing a total of 150, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 420, 430, 440, 445, 450, 455. All right, so in gas, we will have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So we've got our usual 200 in gas. I transferred $40 to the kids to be put into their savings, onto their Disney card. So they will not have cash in here. We did have a little one lose a tooth, but he keeps forgetting to put his tooth under his pillow for the tooth fairy. So now we've got groceries. We will be saving 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So that's 150. And then we will be placing or stuffing $20 for spending, which gives us a total of $35 for spending. We will be saving up as always in order for us to do something amazing for ourselves. Give me just a moment. I'm going to put that in my wallet. And now we've got this binder here that we will be saving for water and Disney Plus. Disney Plus, we put $10. This is an annual subscription that is due in June. And so now we've got $20, $40, $50, $60, $70. I'm going to go on ahead and use my surplus reserve binder to condense that. Since it's $70, I'm going to cash these in for a $50 bill. So let's see if I have a 50, and I do. So we are gonna do this here. Oh, I had more tins than I recalled. So we'll get that taken care of. We'll put the 20 in there, and we will trade that in for 50. Thank you, Surplus Reserve Binder, for saving me a trip to the bank. So here we go here, and this envelope needs to either go through the laminator or I need to replace it. And then this one, I haven't labeled it yet. We will put water, and we're saving $75 for water. Water is paid bi-monthly, so every 2 months. So we're putting $75 aside to make sure that we're ready for that. So we are now all stuffed. And that wraps up our first cash stuffing of 2025. Thank you so much for starting this new year with me and starting it off right. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see our new budgeting setup and weekly savings challenges. Let me know in the comments what financial goals you're working towards in this new year. Until next time, keep crushing those money goals, and bye for now.